Hello everyone, good morning. Today is Wednesday, March 4th, 2026 at 0841. And today we have our day 1 outlook to look at for today. I do apologize for not going through my normal links like I normally do, but unfortunately the links for some reason from IAMBot do not work because all that this does is you click on it and all it does is give you a good question mark. So I have no idea why this is the case, but this is some weird glitch that evidently is going on, so I really hope that the SPC can fix this soon, because I like when I do it this way. You're able to see things a little bit better. So wonderful. Yeah, so it looks like we'll be doing this, doing it the way that Johnny Thunder, EAS, and Weather usually would do it. And first off, yes, I am actually filling in for Johnny Thunder, EAS, and Weather, as he is taking his dog to a therapy appointment, I believe is what it is, and then he has a dentist appointment. So, anyway, let's go ahead and get to this. So today we have a slight risk that is for parts of northeastern Texas, parts of southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Arkansas, southeastern Missouri, parts of northwestern Kentucky, southern Illinois, and extreme western Indiana. So we do, or southwestern Indiana. So we do have those areas under a slight risk. We've got a marginal risk that encompasses parts of from deep south Texas to central and northern Texas, parts of central Arkansas, parts of northwestern Tennessee, extreme southern Missouri. We got parts of central Kentucky, more of southern Indiana, more of southern Ohio, and parts of central Illinois, central Missouri, and southeastern Kansas and central Oklahoma do have a marginal risk. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk for today. So let's go ahead and see who we have today. We have Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, and Garland under the slight, and Tulsa, St. Louis, Cincinnati, Louisville, and Lexington Fayette under the marginal. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for today's risks. Now this is where it gets interesting. Actually, there is no interesting thing about it today. So, the tornado risk, we have a 2% that encompasses parts of northeastern Texas, parts of southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern and central Arkansas, and parts of southeastern Missouri, as well as southern Illinois, and parts of southwestern Indiana and northwestern Kentucky. So we do have those areas under a 2% tornado threat for today. So we have Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, and Garland under the 2%. So we could see a brief EF1 tornado possible today in the 2% area for today. So luckily, we do not have any risks. This down here actually shows which risks are in the we have a level 1, which is the rain-looking thing, the 2, which is the solid line, and 3 as the diamond. That's the intensity level that the SPC has introduced to the Day 1 outlooks. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for the wind. Same for the wind. We don't have any intensity scales, but we have a 15% that's for parts of northeastern Texas, southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern to central Arkansas, southeastern Missouri, southern Illinois, extreme southwestern Indiana, and extreme northwestern Kentucky. We have a 5% that encompasses parts of central to northern Texas, parts of central Arkansas, extreme southern Missouri, extreme northwestern Tennessee, central Kentucky, parts of southern Indiana, central Illinois, going into central Missouri, and going back through central Oklahoma. So we do have those areas under a 5%. So, again, we have Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, and Garland under the 15%, and St. Louis, Louisville, Lexington, Fayette, Little Rock, and Springfield under the 5%. So, for the 15% area, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible in the 5%. Whoop, and there's the reset. We could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts in the 15% area, and we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible in this 5% area. And lastly, moving on to the hail, we have a 15% that encompasses parts of northeastern Texas, parts of southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern and central Arkansas, southeastern Missouri, southern Illinois, extreme northwestern Indiana, and southwestern Indiana, and extreme northwestern Kentucky. We have a 5% that encompasses parts of Texas, southern to central to northern Texas, as well as central Arkansas, extreme southern Missouri, extreme northwestern Tennessee, central Kentucky, extreme southwestern Ohio, southern Indiana, central Illinois, central Missouri, extreme southeastern Kansas, and central Oklahoma. So we do have those areas under a 5%. So we have Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, and Garland under the 15%, and Tulsa, St. Louis, Cincinnati, Louisville, and Lexington Fayette under the 5%. So there is no intensity here, so for the 15% area, we could see 1 to 3 inch diameter hail possible today, and for the 2%, we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible today, so please be mindful of that. Anyway, that concludes your Day 1 Outlook, and I will see you later for the Day 2 Outlook whenever it comes out. So anyway, have yourselves a great day, stay weather aware, stay safe, even if you are in the marginal, as you never know what these storms could do. So anyway, that's going to be it for now, and I will be back later with your Day 2 Outlook. Stay weather aware, stay safe, take care.